Thank you for joining us and welcome to the All American Network. We're making a difference by helping others help themselves, personal, business, and community programs.
Freedom forums and happy hours. We've had membership programs where we had a talent bank and we brought in young business people, men who needed a job or needed a better job. And we did our best to get them placed. We brought in targeted company executives. We had a meeting format built around Q&A where we would ask questions and let pre-chosen audience members ask direct questions about the best way to work for his company. We called these meetings Freedom Forums. That's not where they stopped, but that is where they began. So Freedom Forums have been around quite a long time, always had a good time with them. I'll give you the content. A Freedom Forum is a seminar where freedom is the object and we're looking for total absolute freedom promised under our constitutional rights. You cannot enjoy freedom or happiness or access them without having money. Because money is freedom in the American economy. All the Freedom Forums were on ways to get more money, add your income, get a second business, or get a passive cash flow. There are many different ways to generate money. Now you know what we called a Freedom Forum. The happy hours were always on subjects and thoughts that increase the amount of true happiness. True happiness cannot occur unless you're free in spirit. Freedom Forums talks about being free physically and being able to make choices mentally. Happy hours cover emotions and your spiritual life. If you're not free spiritually and emotionally, no matter how much money you make or how much business success you attain, you're not happy. Happy hours were about how a relationship with God and how that brings satisfaction and happiness. A way of life that says contribute and all the things that a person needs are wrapped up in that one philosophy of a better relationship with God. That's what the happy hours and the Freedom Forums were to help you get free, and being free you could then enjoy happiness. We invite you, come on down. You will enjoy the times of fellowship. Hang around a while. We would love to have you in the network. Thank you so much. Your friend in Christ, Jerry D. Hill. All American Network. www.allamerican.network. Jerry.Hill@allamericannetwork.com.